Ita here, and today I'm going to show you my update squishy collection. Real squishy, not homemade squishy. So without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so first I have these pink mini Mickey headband, pink mini Mickey Mouse headband. I want to take it out from the packaging. So get that. Next, I have the soccer random stress ball over here. And a thingy. And it's not raining anymore. 3 videos in one day. I'm so sorry. I'm uploading without schedule. Next, I have this jumbo Gudetama bun with these smiley face. I'm sorry, I'm not good at that face. But these are so soft and squishy, but it's not as soft. It's like a little bit dent, like a little bit. Next, I have these Eat Me cookie, which something wrong with the camera. So I forgot to tell you that the lightning even more bad, but I don't know. I just like to film a video now. But here came with a dust plug. Actually, it didn't come with dust plug. It came from other squishy, but I'm just gonna use it. And it's not, the cellophane strap is not squishy. And this is Eat Me cookie with the purple filling. So you've got to be kidding me! Now it's raining. Every time I film video, the rain was coming. Next, I have this Jumbo I Bloom Peach. I'm just kidding. This is Kawaii Squishy.ini Peaches, and this is absolutely jumbo, but this top is weird, like it's like too thick, but that is okay. And it is super dent. It's not super dent, it's just too thick, so it's like dent. I don't know, can't explain thing. Next, I have this mini ice cream. It's just that long, as long as the peach right there, or the Gudetama, or panda bun, anything with jumbo bun. And there has strawberry in there. Next, I have this Hello Kitty waffle in this Lego Hello Kitty thing, and has Sanrio license. Fake Sanrio license. It's so squishy. I absolutely love these. Next, I have these IKEA Friends Tiger Wrist Rest, and I love these a lot. It's just that and slurrizing. Oh my god. Next, I have these bagel squishy. It's definitely the softest. It's super soft. I don't even need a pressure to put it. And if you're wondering how big it is, it's literally as big as the bun. But it's so soft, and it has blue drizzle and sprinkle. Next, I have this Jumbo Rilakkuma loaf. It's so small, actually, you guys can tell, right? Like, this is my hand, and this is the Rilakkuma. It's so small, way smaller than I expected, but it's well. And I'm not going to show you the tag because I cannot take it out from the packaging. It's just so hard to put it back. And this ear is softer than this ear. And this ear is way more slow rising. Look at that. It's just so squishy. And then next, I have these Emoticon bagel or Emoticon donut. They are the medium size, and they are super slow. Not as slow. I mean, it's polarizing, so that's great. And the last squishy I have here is this green tea toast, the cat face, and this is absolutely cute packaging, and yeah, there are also has a little pop-up. Let me focus it if I can. It won't focus, guys. Like, focus through. Those. Hello. Good fella. Yep, it's won't focus, but. So yeah, that is all of my squishy, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and